Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Fish Sticks. First of all, good morning. Welcome. Was gonna try to get the kayak out today, do some inshore fishing, but winds are showing 17 miles an hour again. Sometime later this morning. I'm not feeling like being blown around today, so changing it up at the last minute. Just gonna go ahead and do some bass fishing, see what I can get up on. Just leaving my local tackle shop right now. Picked up some hooks, some flukes, see what I can get on, and just get out and enjoy the day. It's nice, beautiful Florida day. Get out and have some fun. So I'll see you out there. Fishing, see what we get up on, see what kind of fun we can have. Bring a couple sticks with me. Go anything from a crank, top water, throw a fluke around, and just see what bites. First one of the day, and I am hooked on somebody else's line. This dude went and hit it, but at the same time he missed, but I got him on the gill. So let's see if we can get him on hook real quick. Get him back in the water. There we go. And let's get away from the edge. What up, buddy? Open up. Got him right on the gills. Hey, it still counts. I say it still counts anyhow. You can see inside his mouth, he's got some kind of worms inside of his mouth. Anyhow, first of the day. Anything you want to say to the folks at home, buddy? No? Camera shy. All right, let's get him back in. And they're going on the Abu Garcia Black Max with the 6'6" Black Max stick. Yeah, it's just the Black Max series. Picked it up at a pawn shop, I think for about $35 at the time. So, just goes to show, you don't have to have a nice $300-400 setup. You can go with a nice $30-40 setup from pawn shop, still get up on them. There's one. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Oh yeah. That's what it's about, folks. All right. Nice big old fat boy right there. Love it. nice when you catch them, and they just get bigger and bigger as the cast goes on. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Never know where a gator is going to be, how well they blend in. Look right there. You can see a nice little youngling. Little youngin just sitting right there, right on the grass edge or the weed line edge. I'm not going to get too close, but just to get a better shot of them. Right there. Okay, we're going to switch over to a fluke. And I picked up some new ones this morning. This is not it. Smoking silver. Even though that one has done me well in the past, I have a new one that I want to try out today. If I can find it. Need to get organized. Nope. There we go. Zoom Super Fluke Goldfish Edition. She's a super fluke. Super fluke. She's super fluking. Yeah. Don't mind my singing. I didn't quit my day job. And this is not my day job either. Okay, Goldfish Super Fluke on a 1/8 4/0 hook, weighted hook. Let's get it all rigged up and get it out there and see what happens. Bye-bye, birdie. Thumped but no taker. Last cast. Once the official, there's a swirl right there. Once the official last cast call has been made, what is the actual number of casts taken after you call last cast? 5, 10, 20? Or are you a truthful person and last cast is last cast? Leave a comment below, let me know. Alright everybody, we're back. My strap's getting in the way of the camera. Anyhow, we're back. Moved down a little bit to a new spot. Wind's picking up, so trying to dash the wind, but this being just such an open area, that ain't happening. So anyhow, new spot, a little bit more down the levee. Continue just continue what we're throwing and continue having fun, and then let's just see what else happens out here. All right. All right, everybody. Unfortunately, I was unable to get up on anything else, and I had a couple of nice little thumps, but nothing really else happening right now. I mean, this wind is just steadily cranking, and it's just blowing the line everywhere. So trying to target cast, and it'll blow me way over that way somewhere. So I guess for the moment we're gonna go ahead and just stop it right here, and hopefully next time I can get some calmer weather, maybe get the kayak out and get up on some bigger game, some more game, and just have some fun playing the game, you know. So anyhow, let me give you just a brief of where I'm at. I mean, it's just so beautiful out right now. Shy of whoever was here before me leaving garbage everywhere. And I practice to leave no trace, so I'll grab it, put it in my pack, and toss it when I get back to my vehicle. But for the most part, yeah. I mean, beyond the wind, and I do love the wind because it is cooling and it feels so good, but it's not helping with trying to get up on the bite right now. So anyhow, till next time, support me, give a like, hit subscribe, follow along, see what I get up into next, what other fun adventures I come into, and what else I get on the line. So thanks for tuning in, and thank you for your support. Again, click like, click subscribe. Sorry, I'm gonna blame it on the wind. Click subscribe, and again, thank you for tuning in to Fish Sticks. Till next time, laters. All right, just when you thought it was over, yep, we're still keeping it going. Came down to another spot just down the road from where I was just at, just because I ain't ready to go home yet, you know. So yeah, still windy. I'm trying to get out of the wind, but nice little spot. There's a little gar sitting right there, and you can see a couple of the beds. So anyhow, throw a line around and see if we can have a little more fun. All right. What do we got? What do we got? Oh yeah, love it. Oh yeah, gotcha, bro, gotcha. Sweet. It was a bloodbath. Anyhow, let's get him back in the water. Thanks for playing, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Tore up the fluke. First cast, right on the drop. Dude got it. I didn't even know he had it. Look. He tore that thing inside out. All right. Okay, well, last spot, my battery died out. So, but unfortunately I couldn't hook up on anything else, even though it looked like things were hitting on that top water. Didn't get much else after that. So, moved on down to probably the last spot of the day. So, before I get out there, just wanted to go in brief of what I'm actually using. So today is all Abu Garcias. For freshwater, pretty much all my sticks are Abus, or my reels are Abus anyhow. Not all my sticks are. So in brief, you have the old reliable Black Max that I said I got at a pawn shop, and it's done awesome. So I have it rigged up with spooled up with some mono and going right now on the topwater popper. And on the fluke, I'm using a high-speed Revo SX. I think it's a 731 actually. I stand corrected. It's 731 on a Berkley lightning rod. Can you feel the lightning? Can you feel it? Anyhow, yeah, that's on a 7-foot medium. Yeah, it's been doing pretty good. I like it. And last but not least, the Abu Garcia Roxanne. I believe this is a high speed also. A 7-1. Yes. So this is my cranking setup, and I can see it's already spooled up and ready to go with a crank on it, crankbait. So I am going to pretty much put up the popper for right now and finish off with the fluke, and we're gonna throw the crankbait out for a little bit and see if we can get up on just maybe one more to call it a day. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, so let's get out there, get cranking, and have a little bit more fun. Well, that's gonna do it for me for today. I couldn't get up on anything else. Overall, it was a good day. Always enjoy getting out on the water, whether it be by kayak, banking, jetties, just what have you. Just always just a fun experience, and just so much enjoyment comes out of it. Anyhow, please support my page. Thank you for tuning in to Fish Sticks. Hit the like button, hit that bell, subscribe, follow along to see what I post next and where I'm at next and what else I can get up on. So till next time, thanks and much love to all you sticks and chicks out there. Enjoy yourself and tight lines. Later.